I thank the IBSA Foundation for choosing my project and for giving me the opportunity in financial support to be able to carry out in the USA at Virginia Commonwealth University of Richmond under the supervision of Professor Francesco Celi. The research project I intend to carry out is in the field of endocrinology of metabolism and is titled A Novel Role for PTK2B in Culture-Beige Adipocyte Differentiation. As is well known, there are three different types of adipose tissue: white, brown and beige. Thanks to the mitochondrial protein UCP1, beige fat is able to convert energy reserves into heat, therefore has thermogenic properties. Beige fat can be increased in terms of activity, playing a fundamental role both in energy expenditure and in the use of energy reserves, nominating it a promising treatment strategy for metabolic disorders such as obesity and type 2 diabetes. It has also been discovered that the protein tyrosine kinase 2 beta is highly expressed in beige adipocytes and is fundamental for thermogenic function. This new metabolic role of PTK2B make it an attractive target for intervention in order to stimulate the expression of beige fat. In this study, we will characterize the metabolic phenotype of PTK2B transgenic mice, which is likely to continue to give us the basis for developing a new pharmacological approach for the treatment of obesity and type 2 diabetes.